Hi. Let me introduce BurgerFlex Premium Hose Solutions. Our claim to fame is simple. We manufacture the world's most reliable flexible hose solution for mobile and stationary HVAC and refrigeration industries. And we call it BurgerClip. We are a global company with 6 manufacturing plants worldwide, and with our Asia Pacific headquarters in Ormeau, Queensland, we offer industry-leading real-time tech support and demand-driven stock availability. Like you, we had refrigerant leakage from beadlock and bubble crimps. We had fittings crimped in the wrong orientation, and found that some of the so-called easy crimps were not overly easy, and certainly were not always leak-free. So, we decided to fix all that with BurgerClip. BurgerClip provides perfectly tensioned, rotatable, leak-free fittings every time. The unique tail profile is machined to exacting tolerances and features 8 sealing points, yes, 8, and they are patented. This patented profile is the BurgerClip advantage. The cage locates the clips, providing perfect alignment with the 8 sealing points of the tail. No more guesswork. The one set of handheld ratcheting pliers suits every size hose and fitting, from -4 to -20. No more swapping jaws and dies. If you're going to make a superior hose fitting solution, then you might as well make a superior hose to go with it. So we did. BurgerFlex 3090 Multi-Cool is a premium, multi-refrigerant, and multi-oil rated hose for use on everything with wheels and quite a few things without. You will appreciate that we didn't set out to build the world's second best hose. As a result, the BurgerFlex 3090 Multi-Cool hose specifications are impressive. This is a Type C, Class 1 hose, rated for refrigerants 134A, 1234YF, 404A, 452A, and many more. Our internal nylon barrier is extruded to exacting tolerances and offers 75% less permeation and moisture ingression compared to standard reduced barrier hose. Temperature rated from -40 degrees C to +135 degrees C at a continuous working pressure of 514 psi. But it doesn't end there. BurgerFlex boasts a seamless, synthetic rubber inner braid reinforcing layer, butyl rubber cover, and is weather, oil, and abrasion resistant. If you find yourself really stuck between a rock and a hard place, then yes, you can use the BurgerClip fittings with existing, dimensionally equivalent reduced barrier hose. But if you don't like to do things by halves, then use BurgerFlex 3090 Multi-Cool Premium Hose with BurgerClip fittings. They are simply made for each other. BurgerFlex Asia Pacific holds the largest and most extensive fitting range in the country, boasting over 700 fitting configurations. BurgerClip fittings are made from high-quality steel, with braze-on tails available in steel and aluminium, all manufactured in Europe in IATF 16949 certified factories. We also offer tailored product solutions, like our Kenworth dual-pressure switch port fitting to number 12 step-down female O-ring with expansion valve plate. To show you the company we keep, our customers include Massey Ferguson, Cat, Bentley, McLaren, Aston Martin, and Scania. We think Brock McDonald, from Rockley Truck Electrical here in Queensland, Australia, summed up BurgerFlex well. Quote, "We have been using BurgerFlex 3090 hose and BurgerClip fittings for several years now. We have had 0 discharge hose failures since changing. BurgerFlex, BurgerClip, and BurgerBraze. All part of the BurgerFlex solution. Ask for it by name or visit www.burgerflex.com.